Hello. Yeah, let's see the blog update. So, talking a bit about animations, and the animation team has done improvements since launch. So that's nice to see that is being addressed, and people like these interactions that we didn't have from the very beginning, but of course we wanted it, so we added it as fast as we could. And we are happy that people enjoy those, so we'll continue making those as fast as we can. So if they're not in, it could be just because we haven't had time to add them, or other things that make it so interactions doesn't really work. The system is an overlay system, so we don't snap the character to a specific spot, so that's why you sometimes can see that the interactions is a little bit sort of off, especially if you're interacting from the side, but at a game play design, since you don't want to snap the character and the camera to the best spot for the animation itself, because then that could actually sort of place you in a position where you don't want to be. So that's the reason why we have an overlay interaction system. Here are some other small updates that you can look at yourself. And the run has got updates, the trigger finger. Here's the hurt reactions, which has been in the game from the start. The interesting part might be that it sort of ramps up. So if you shoot them, like the more you shoot them, the less health they will have and the stronger the reaction will be. But otherwise, in general, the system is based on the the damage output. So if you have a stronger weapon, the bigger the hurt reactions will be, and also um, distance and other factors are sort of deciding how it will work. It's also based on if you shoot them in the body part and from left, right, and backward. So it's a rather interesting system, uh, and also it's based on like the weapon design. So we just providing them with 4 different strengths that the weapon designer can then tweak, so they feel like the weapon is giving the correct like strength they want to achieve. So it's a lot of animations, and we also of course have explosive reactions and deaths, and you can also see the sprint hurts and sprint reactions. They are also a sort of similar system, but different animations, of course, since when sprinting and got shot, you might react a little bit different. So, yeah, that's the main thing about the blog. We will continue trying to improve the game as much as possible. If you have any more questions about any of these that aren't super clear in the blog, I can try to answer them, but hopefully this gave you a little bit more understanding of some of the systems. Thank you.